Don't touch me. No, don't touch me.
Irina.
Basim is dead.
Irina,
Why did it have to be him? Why couldn't it have been me?
Irina.
There's no point in anything anymore.
Irina, stop it.
He's dead. He's dead.
But by activating the laser, he made it possible for us to get past it. Now, Irina, you've got to help me. You've got to stop that computer. Or Vasily's death would be meaningless. Do you hear me? His death would be meaningless. Will you help me? Come on. Now watch me and do exactly as I do, okay?
That's far enough.
I'll try the phone.
But they've all gone.
Maybe not.
This is General Kozlenko. Where are you?
We're in the computer room.
Did everyone make it through the reactor room?
Zhukov is dead.
Now everything should stop.
What went wrong?
The message I typed to clear the computer hasn't been accepted. The clearing circuit must have been damaged.
Instead, it only tells us how much time we've got to live.
Ask them for the computer plans marked seed circuit. If you could find that and realign the filaments.
Irina wants the seed circuit file. The seed circuit file.
Seed circuit. All right, just a minute.
Steve, you've got exactly 3 minutes.
All right, I have the seed circuit file.
She wants the one marked module package. She needs a number off the package. 309/B. Okay, stand by.
We haven't got much time. 2 minutes and 31 seconds. If it's the right one, there's a lot of filaments out of line.
This is it.
Colonel Austin, what's going on?
2 minutes, 10 seconds.
It's no use. I'll never get them all aligned in time.
it's all over.
Triggering device for the nuclear weapon must originate here.
Of course. You have a Geiger counter in your arm.
It came with the equipment. Never thought I'd have a use for it, though. This is the main wire. The ground wire.
But the voltage going through that triggering device is deadly.
Watch yourself. Oscar, if we're gonna get to Mars from here, we're gonna need a new computer. Get us out of here.